3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
Good afternoon, Buthanat Resort and Mario Paranya. Karong ito aduna kita ihabubuo nga programa nga gitawag og Search for Miss Corona 2020. So but before we will start, agas sa mo gamay background kabahin sa atuang pasyent karong ugto. So kanitong pasyent karong ugto inspired siya sa coronavirus disease na very prevalent and pandemic sa tibuok kalibutan. So ano siyang ginantang ito in a positive aspect. So but before na mag-start, ano ipanaila ang atuang mga judges. So ano ito tuwa, ano ipanaila kaninyo ato mga respetadong board of judges. Our first judge is Miss Mutya 2019. Please welcome Miss Laites Kumawan. Our second judge is a registered criminologist of the RMQ, Miss Donald Labo. And our third judge, our very own birthday girl, Miss Jan Digar. So dili na dugan ang atuang event karong udto. Let us start this program with the introduction number nga yatag sa atuang mga contestants.
My name is Roxana Pali from the USA.
Camera action.
Alright. Nanggaling pa sa kalingitan, bumagsak sa swimming pool. Nandito ngayon sa iyong harapan, ang perlas ng kagandahan. My name is Arabella Lumalang from Mutya at naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung ang kagandahan ay kasalanan, then I apologize. Thank you.
Si Trey, pareha kakainin ba? Pareha kakainin. Mami.
My name is Ana Marie. Tinang tirada.
Panay.
Action.
Showdown tayo, showdown.
Oh, sige.
My name is Cedric.
Sige na, showdown.
Bakyo, talikod! 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 Flip!
Dire.
Joel, oh, sayaw!
Now to witness the production number of our 5 lovely candidates. So at this moment, atin na po sila makita for their talent competition. Let's start the talent competition with candidate number 1.
Kantaw, dire, kantaw. Kantaw, dire kay.
Next in line for our talent competition is candidate number 2.
As I can't help it, we get it rolling in the deep. You had my heart right to your head.
Candidate number 2, so at this moment, atong tawagon si candidate number 3.
That is just so typical of me. Oh, baby, baby, oh, baby.
Go.
I cry watching that age. Triste ang mapuhol. No anyone.
I bled with your heart. Get lost in this game. Oh, baby, baby, please think I'm in love. Didn't from I'm not
Out of step.
Candidate number 3. So at this moment, atong isang natawagon si candidate number 4 and 5.
Masarap bang asawa ko? Masarap. Dawan ba? Nilunok mo ba? Tagka!
Let us welcome once again our 5 lovely candidates for their Q&A round.
I see over there. That's me. Sending in
Ay, katulong toyo, katulong toyo, katulong. Katulong.
hanging round my neck. That's good. Show me some respect.
Ay, katulong, kayo katulong.
I thank God every day.
Kung may mukhang hayop, unsa ka?
May hapon sa tanan. Kung mahimong kong hayop, gusto ko mahimong langgam. Kaya gusto ko mulupad, kaputan akong mga pangandoy para sa kong pamilya. Salamat.
Unsa ang tulo ka qualities nga imong possess that would make you a title holder?
I have the charm.
Body, face, and
Unsa ang maayong butang nga nahitabo nimo karong simana?
Alright, thank you for that wonderful question. Well, simply, that I am still kicking and alive, and thank God for that. And of course, this week I conquered those people who discriminated me. Well, being a homosexual or a part of LGBTQ community plus is not easy. There are a lot of people who are discriminatedly, Philippine Constitution states that no man shall be deprived of his pursuit of life, liberty, property, and perpetuity without a due process of law.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
To be honest, I see myself 5 years from now. I am a millionaire, traveling the power with my sugar daddy. I believe that being rich is my definition of success. So therefore, to all sugar daddy around here, again, to all sugar 950-62-6353.
Number 5.
Kuya Andam na
Totoo
kuting
kasi
answer.
So your question is, how do you overcome defeat? Kung saan mo pag-atubang ang kabindihon?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, talikod ko.
I've been thinking about you and how we used to be. Back when you didn't have to end, we can start again. There's nothing left to say, so it's another day. Just you and me tonight, everything will be okay. If it's alright with you, then it's alright with me. Baby, let's take this time, let's make new memories. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? All of the times we remember. Do you remember? Do you remember?
Pa, wala pa.
So,
Go.
ladies and gentlemen, let us call once again our reigning queen for her farewell walk, Miss Janjan Dizon. Ang mga winners, but before that, ato sa silang papasok for their final exposure.
It's your undress rehearsal. So take your clothes off, show me how you show up. It's your undress rehearsal. You need attraction.
So we will start with the minor awards. The first award is Best in Production Number.
What? Dolder ha, dolder.
And the winner is... The winner is Arabella Lumana.
Oh, dolder, dolder.
Thank you so much for Best in Walk. Who's your best? And the winner is candidate number 2, Miss Roxanne Apane.
My pride. Uy, ayaw pa doon.
The next award will be Best in Outfit. So kita nyo ka ang pinapalinig outfit ng iba. And the winner is candidate number 5. The next award will be Best in Talent. And the Best in Talent award goes to candidate number 3, Arabella. Yes. Award is Best in Smile. Pakita ka nila ang Best in Smile.
It's my time, smile, smile.
The award goes to candidate number 1, Kylie. Okay, hold your breath because we are now going to announce the winners. The third runner-up is candidate number 2, Miss Roxanne. Since sa ato ang 4 remaining ladies ang makakuha sa second spot. And candidate number 1, Kylie. Kinsa kahang ato ang first runner-up, and she is no other than candidate number...
Wala lagi si Kuan, wala yung awards eh.
Candidate number 4, Miss Jen Panlaki. Are now going to announce the winner.
Kay Baxter.
Miss Corona 2020 is candidate number 3. So the crown will be turned over by
Kati Manloy.
so siya ang atuang Miss Corona 2020. Miss Corona, take your first walk as Miss Universe.
Please like to
Please like, share, and subscribe to Corona's vlog. Thank you so much.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.